If you use RotaCloud's Pro package, you have access to our Bulk Actions tool. This allows you to change hundreds or even thousands of shifts in just a few clicks. On your Rotas page, click the Tools menu here and select Bulk Actions. You'll then see two warning messages, making you aware that changes cannot be undone. Click through both of these to proceed. Once on the tool, start by setting your date range here. Once you've entered your date range, all shifts between these dates will appear. If there are too many shifts, or you'd just like to narrow down your search further, use the other filters on the left. These include location, roles, employees, and much more. Once you have a list of all the shifts you'd like to amend, click the Actions menu in the bottom right. Select the action you'd like to perform, which includes copying the shifts to another employee, changing the role or location, and publishing and unpublishing them. You'll see one last confirmation message. Just click OK and your shifts will be changed. Anything that can't be actioned will have a red marker, which can be hovered to see the reason why it couldn't be moved.